Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are starting Unit 15 Temperature, which is at page number 175 of our book. To know the word temperature, let's start the unit with an example. At our homes, our mother usually gives us milk. And we generally say, Mama, the milk is very hot. I cannot drink it. Or some other times, someone in our family asks us for a glass of water, and when we give the person the water, then she or he said, the water is very cold. Here we have two things, the milk is very hot or the water is very cold. Now, the question is to find how much hot or cold an object or body is. To find how much hot or cold an object or a body or something, we need a measurement. We need a measurement. And temperature is that measurement. What is temperature? Temperature is the measure used to check hotness or coldness of a body. I repeat, temperature is the measure used to check hotness or coldness of a body. And the instrument used to measure temperature of a body is called thermometer. Okay, we generally use a thermometer at our homes to check the temperature of our body if we don't feel good. Okay. The unit used to measure temperature is called degree. Here, before worksheet 1, we have some introduction to the terms related to temperature. And temperature is the measure used to check hotness or coldness of a body. The instrument used to measure the temperature of a body is called thermometer, and the unit used to measure the temperature is called degree. What is the symbol for degree? For example, the temperature is 0. Degree means a small zero at the upper side, and this is called degree. We read it as 0 degree. Okay, or write it as this 0 degree. Okay, we have two scales to measure the temperature. The first is Celsius scale, the second is Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Here we can see two kind of thermometers we have. The Celsius scale thermometer starting from 0 ends up to 100, and the Fahrenheit scale starting from 32 ends up to 212. Okay, this 0 Celsius scale can be written as 0 degree Celsius. Capital C represent Celsius, and this point called 100 degree Celsius. This point called 32 degree Fahrenheit means capital F is the symbol used to write it. 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. The temperature in Celsius scale starts from 0 and goes up to 100 degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale it starts from 32 degree Fahrenheit and goes to 212 degree Fahrenheit. As much the temperature is low, the body or the object is cold, and if the temperature is getting higher, the body will be getting hotter. Okay, 0 degree Celsius means coldest means when the water freezes. In our fridge, in a refrigerator at our homes, the temperature of refrigerator is 2 degree, 3 degree. Okay, it means that is the lowest. And in summer season, when we switch on the ACs at our home, the temperature is sometimes it's 32 degrees Celsius, 33, means when 0 to 32 we move, then the temperature becomes hotter. Okay, in the same way, here 32 degree Fahrenheit is the coldest and 212 degree Fahrenheit is the hottest. The coldest point is called the freezing point of water, means that temperature at which even the water freezes is called freezing point of water. And in Celsius scale, the water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale, it freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit. And the uppermost temperature is called boiling point of water. In Celsius scale, it is 100 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale, it's 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, these are the freezing point of waters and boiling point of waters. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit, and 100 degrees Celsius equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Now, as we have studied, the instrument used to measure the temperature is called thermometer, and to measure the temperature of a human body means the thermometer used by the doctors is called clinical thermometer, and the temperature of a healthy adult is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. In clinical thermometer, Fahrenheit scale is being used. Okay, this scale is being used. Now, with all of these informations, let's start worksheet 1 at page number 177. That is quite based upon all the informations which we have studied. First is, what is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body called? You can solve this worksheet in your book only. What is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body called? It is temperature. Yes, the main definition, the first word in the chapter, temperature. The next is, name the instrument used for measuring temperature. Yes, the instrument used for measuring temperature is thermometer. Now, after this, the third question is, what is the name of a thermometer used by a doctor? This is the clinical thermometer. Next is, name the two scales used for measuring temperature. The scales are Celsius and Fahrenheit. Next is, what is the freezing point and the boiling point of water in the Celsius scale? We have just discussed freezing point in Celsius scale is the lowest, means 0 degrees Celsius, and boiling point is the highest, means 100 degrees Celsius. After this, the last question, what is the freezing point and the boiling point of water in the Fahrenheit scale? Freezing point means 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point means 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, this completes our worksheet 1. Your homework is complete and revise worksheet 1 of unit 15. Thank you.